Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your AOL mail's password. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open your browser on your PC and go to AOL Mail. After you open AOL Mail, make sure that you are logged into your account. Then what you need to do is click on Settings over here and go to More Settings. So if you don't find the settings over here, you can click on your profile and go to Account Info. After you land to the Account Info page, you can see the security option over here. Just go ahead and tap on it, scroll a bit down and you can see password option. Now to change password, go ahead and click on Change Password over here and type in the new password of your choice. Check your password once and click Continue. So you can see that this password was previously used. Now let's go ahead and enter a new password for yourself. After you enter a new password, check your password one and click Continue. So there you go. This is how you change your password. You can see that the change date will also be shown over here, the last change, and it is shown up to today's date. And you can see that you can change the password of your AOL mail anytime. All you need to do is go to your browser, open AOL Mail, click on your profile after you have logged in and go to Account Settings. After you click on Account Settings, click on Security, click on Change Password, which is over here. After you click on Change Password, write down your new password, click Continue, and there you go. So guys, this is how you change the password of your AOL mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.